Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a custom device profile in BlueStacks. So first, open BlueStacks April on your desktop and head over to the settings on the right sidebar. Click on it and head over to phone. So my version is in French. So we find phone here. I click on create custom profile for the here typing, for example, Samsung. Here, for example, model choose S24, and the brand typing, for example, Galaxy. After successfully added your custom profile device and verify it and check it carefully, you can click on save changes to apply this custom device profile your BlueStacks apply. So the next time you open BlueStacks, your stacks will recognize this custom device profile automatically. And this is pretty much it, guys. Good work is that. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Don't just leave a